Hey everybody, and welcome back to the WordPress series. And so what I wanted to get into next is to basically say you wanted to create a new, you wanted to style your own template. Okay, so not your template, but your like a specific page. Say, for instance, in this theme, I would like one page. Maybe I wanted to do a photo gallery or some kind of slider where it took up the whole page. I didn't really want the sidebar or the header or something. I wanted to change it up somehow. Basically, or this is something that's going to be repeating and you want a slightly different look to it, but your theme doesn't offer it. Say I want some pages to have the sidebar on the right, some pages I want the sidebar to have it on the left. So you want to develop your own custom pages, and the first step in doing that is to understand how WordPress handles this. And what we're going to do is take a look at the 2015 theme inside the page. Okay, so we've got a 404 page, and you can also customize that to make it fit your desire. But basically what we're going to look at here is page.php. Alright, and what we're going to do here, first step is we're just going to copy this, do a new file, save it as a custom page.php. Alright, and what we're going to do is save it there. We're going to get rid of all of this. And really the only thing we need to do here is to call inside what look like CSS comments template name. Okay, so we'll save that, and then we'll go back to the back end and we'll go to add a new page. Alright, so now the template file, you can now see our custom page. Basically that's the gist of it. So if we do this and we say edit page 4, then we can begin to work on some content in here. Alright, so we'll just flip over and we'll do, oops, we got an editor here. Now let's grab some Ibsen. Do that again, and we'll publish it. There we go. And we'll go to menus, and we'll insert that page in the menu system. Alright, I'll drag it up to underneath page 4, save the menu, go back and refresh. And there's page 4. Alright, and so basically what we're going to do at this point, we're going to look at the code for the page, and what we're going to look at is, some of the things that you like this part here, get header, it's pretty basic. All that means is that it's going to get the header section, which is this entire section here. If we wanted to look at the header, we go to header.php. Okay, and this is where you can edit what you want inside the header. Say if, for instance, you didn't want to display your site title on the header. Now this is going to affect all the header pages. See, the title goes away. Okay, so if you're going to want to customize the header for just one specific page, basically what you would do is call in a different header page on your custom page. You would say, we would do header 1, and you would duplicate your header page and call it header 1, and then you would customize it that way. Okay, so in this instance, we'll just revert that back, save it. The content that's actually on the page, if you wanted to look at it, this is what we're looking, this is what WordPress uses to actually pull the pages and pull posts. Okay, this is a while loop for the posts, and basically this is looking for your content, template page, and then basically we're following along. Okay, include the page content template. If comments are open, or we have at least one comment, load up the comment template. All right. So if you wanted to list pages without the comments or posts without the comments, you could get rid of this whole if and then end if. Okay. And so this is a real basic page, but it gives you the idea of what we're going to be doing if you wanted to customize your templates, your themes page. Because a lot of theme pages are a lot more complex than the 2015 template. You simply have a sidebar and a big giant content area. It's a really easy theme, but in essence the concept is the same. If you want to repeat, basically all you have to do is rename you have to assign a template name inside the comments up above, and then select it in the back end when you go to add a page. Okay, and that's really all there is to it. So what we'll take a look at next is adding some functions. If you want to add a new widget area where you can start to pile up widgets, and then you can start to style that specific area. We'll take a look at how that works next. And thanks for watching this one. So hopefully it was helpful. If you did like it, go ahead and leave me a comment below and press that like button. I really appreciate it.